Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Is Find My iPhone grayed out on your device and you can't turn it on or off? Don't worry. Here are the most effective fixes. Method 1. Check screen time restrictions. This is the most common reason. Open Settings, then tap Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Find Location Services. Make sure Allow Changes is selected. If changes are restricted, Find My iPhone will appear grayed out. Method 2. Check Apple ID status. Sometimes the issue is related to your Apple ID. First, check the status of your Apple ID. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top. Make sure you are properly signed in and there are no verification alerts. If necessary, try signing out of your Apple ID first, then sign back in again. Method 3. Turn on Location Services. Find My won't work if Location Services is disabled. Open Settings, tap Privacy and Security, tap Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. Then go back and check if Find My is available. Method 4. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. If the problem continues, a system repair tool can help fix underlying iOS issues without data loss. TunesKit iOS System Recovery is the best choice. With just a few simple steps, more than 150 types of system issues can be successfully fixed, like iPhone Find My iPhone grayed out, app icon missing, white and black screen, iPhone keeps scrolling up, etc. Connect your iPhone to your PC, then click iOS System Repair. Choose Standard Repair Mode. This mode will not cause any data loss. Wait for a while until the process is complete, and the Find My iPhone will work again. Method 5. Update iOS. A system bug can sometimes cause this issue. Go to Settings, then tap General, tap Software Update. Install the latest iOS version if available. Method 6. Reset all settings, if necessary. If nothing works, in general, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset all settings. This won't erase your data, but it will reset Wi-Fi passwords and system settings. If the above methods are helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe.